Hello guys, thanks for clicking this video. The SMD version of CA3130 GSM detector is finished. As you can see, the project is connected to the small 10 cm copper wire as antenna, and also I did not use the SMD LED because of I need more brightness for the indication. The fresh 9-volt battery can work at a month with this project, and to test I'm going to use the old mobile phone. The frequency is 780. I will try to dial a USSD number. SIM 1 is 870 MHz and SIM 2 is 950 MHz. I'm going with the 950. Very well. I'm dialing a number. Is a billing department. This one also working very good. The buzzer and cap are soldered for the back side. I use the 1206 size SMD components. For the next plan I'm going to make it much more smaller with the 506 size, and we'll leave the PCB layout painting files down below. Thanks for watching and goodbye.